Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you guys here back with me. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I wash my hair extensions. This is the shampoo that I use. I use Olaplex, but this is also my favorite shampoo. Both of my favorite, and so I'll go ahead and use about this much shampoo for my hair just because I have so much hair, and I will first start from the top and then I'll put some shampoo on the bottom, and then I'll basically like rub it into my head as much as I can. I put some more shampoo in there just because I just felt like I couldn't get in between the layers of my hair extensions. But that's basically what you're gonna want to do, is when you have hair extensions, you're gonna want to get in between every single layer. I have tape-ins, but no matter what kind of hair extensions you have to always get in between your hair extensions, just because all that dirt and all that oil and all that gross stuff is gonna build up in between your layers of hair, and you really don't want that. And you'll see me like going in between. As you saw earlier, I'm just basically making sure I get all of the hair. But yeah, that's basically it. This is me singing, just don't mind that part. But this is me going in one more time, so I'll be doing the same thing. Just go ahead and watch how I do. I get a lot of shampoo because I have a lot of hair, and then if you have a little bit of hair, like, you really don't need that much, because Olaplex is so like, it's a little goes a long way, so you really don't need that much. But because I have so much hair, I need a little more. Also, I know a lot of people say that you're not allowed to use conditioner with hair extensions, but I talked to a hair extension professional, and she told me that as long as you don't get it on the bonds and you only use it on the ends of your hair extensions, then you should be okay, because I've really struggled with my hair being frizzy with hair extensions, and so I've been using conditioner ever since she gave me the go, because I've seen a complete difference in my hair extensions. Like, as soon as I started using conditioner only on my ends with my hair extensions, my hair has gotten so much softer and so much smoother. It never gets frizzy. Like, I never have issues with my hair frizzing up like a ball. And so yeah, as you see, I just gently massage it in through my ends, and then before I wash my body, I always like to put my hair in a scrunchie, which you'll see me do later. And that will basically be the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want more hair extension videos, because I can talk about hair extensions all day. I have so many tips and tricks up my sleeve. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and comment, and leave any ideas of what you want me to post more of in the comments down below, and I will do so. Love ya, bye.